got the International back in here. I had a brake getting hot when I went to get that fertilized, and I'm gonna jerk this one off of there and see if I can get the caliper freed up. This jewel is impressive, I have to say. Now there's one it might not take off. Oh boy. Let's try this one. Now that might let that one loosen up. Oh, might have to put some heat on that one. Now why is just that one so tight? Oh my goodness. I throw a little heat to that, and I think a little heat's what it took. So these trucks have dual lug nuts, and this side has standard right hand threads. The other side, believe it or not, has left hand threads. And the socket has a square slot at the end of it. And usually these are the tough ones. Tell you what, this impact is a doozy. Like it. I really need to get me a new set of lug nuts. I got a few new ones. That right hand, I think, over here, I might put back on it. Pretty tight. Let's try this one again. Whew. Whew. I need a good 3/4 drive impact is what I need. but I don't know if I got enough air to run it. Should have with this auxiliary tank. What I gotta do is take this Allen head nut bolt out, and then take a hammer and a punch, drive this little keeper out, and then this caliper will kind of roll up out of there. It drives in there and wedges in, is what holds them in place. Pretty good setup. So what we'll do is get that out, take the pads out of it, take a clamp, and push the plungers, the pistons in on the caliper, put it back on, push them back out with the pedal, take it back off, push them back in, do that a couple times, spray them, get them freed up. Worked good on the other side. Hopefully it'll work this side too. I'm surprised how easy these usually come out. First time I did one, I figured sure it'd be stuck good. And you've got two pieces here. You gotta make sure not to lose. You got this one that sits in there like that. That's arched, and that's what holds pressure on everything to where it's not moving around. Now, we'll get me a stool, a C-clamp, a pry bar, and a flat piece of metal. I got them pushed out a little more than what they was. You don't want to push them too far and blow them plumb out. But put a little PB blaster around them. And take me a piece of metal, put up across there, and a C-clamp, and collapse them back in, and do that again. I'll put it back up here, push my brake pedal. That'll expand that out, them cylinders, and then I'll push them back in, spray them, push them back in, and keep doing that, and then I'll clean everything up, brake cleaner, and put it back on there and hope for the best. Go through here and put anti-seize on all these. May get me a new cam here. Same way you tighten these things up. A little at a time. Yeah. Ain't liking the looks of that yet. Okay. you don't have one of these 1/2-inch drive Dewalt impacts or some brand of some type, you're missing out. Well, hopefully that'll work. If y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.